Hey everybody, Dr. B here. This August, early August, I'm going to offer a course on how to create videos for YouTube, educational videos for YouTube that are effective and get viewed. It's a course for teachers, professors, tutors, folks doing training. If you're a student, you can really help me out by sharing this video with someone you think that might be interested in creating educational videos. And it doesn't have to be just chemistry. It really can be any topic from English to computer programming. The course, it's free, space is really limited. So if you know someone, a professor, a teacher, or tutor who would really be interested, send them the link to this video. If you are a tutor or a teacher, professor, someone involved in education or training, again, the course is free. It's a pilot trying to really test this idea out. It's self-paced. I think it'd take about 10 to 15 hours to complete. We will have some live streams and discussions as well. And you don't need any experience in creating videos. We're going to work from finding those ideas that are going to work through recording, editing, and then publishing and promoting. All of that stuff will be in the course. So if you're interested, again, space is limited. I can't promise everyone will get into the course, but it starts early August, and the form to sign up, to express interest, that's below. As always, this is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.